Hello and welcome back to my channel. We will do NCERT revision. I have picked class 6 history. Questions are picked directly from NCERT, so you must revise these books again and again and solve MCQ based on it. With reference to the history of India, consider the following statement. Samudragupta was the first ruler of the Gupta dynasty to adopt the grand title of Maharaja Dhiraj. Nagaram was an organization of merchants controlled by rich Samantas. Fayan visited India during reign of Harshvardhan. Ahiol was the capital of the Chalukyas. Which of the given statement is correct? 1 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, none of the above. Answer will be 4 only. Ahiol was the capital of the Chalukyas. Chandragupta, the father of Samudragupta, was the first ruler of the Gupta dynasty who adopted the grand title of Maharaja Dhiraj. Nagaram was an organization of merchants and controlled by powerful landowners and merchants. And Fahian visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II. During the reign of Harshvardhan, Huanzhang visited. So answer will be 4 only. I am already making videos of previous year questions that were asked in UPSC IAS prelims. And if you want to make solved questions from 1979 to 2021, I have made a compilation. Link will be in the description and in the comment section. And if you want to make more such videos on NCERT as well as previous year questions, let me know in the comment section. Next, with reference to the courtiers of ancient history, which of the given statement is not correct? Ravi Kirti, a poet, belonged to court of the Pallavas. Banbhat was the court poet of Harshvardhana. Kalidasa, the poet, and Aryabhat, the astronomer, were in the court of Chandragupta II. Harisena, the court poet of Samudragupta, also held the post of Kumar Amatya. Question is asking which if the statement is not correct. So Ravi Kirti was a poet who belonged to the court of Chalukyas, not Pallavas. So this is not correct. Rest of the statement is correct. So these questions also provide you some information also. Banbhat was the court poet of Harshvardhan. Kalidas and Aryabhat were in the court of Chandragupta II. Harisena was the court poet of Samudragupta. So if you solve multiple choice questions, you can easily revise the chapters. Next, consider the following. Nagashreshti, chief judicial officer of the city. Sarthavaha, leader of the merchant caravans. Prathama Kulika, chief craftsman. Which among these are correctly matched? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, all of the above, none of the above. Answer is 2 and 3 only. Nagashreshtis were chief banker or merchant of the cities and they had say in the local administration also. Next, in context of the inscriptions of the Pallavas, consider the following statement. Sabha was a local assembly which looked after irrigation, agricultural operations, making roads, local temples, etc. Sabha and Ur has already been asked in UPSC IAS prelims. The Ur was a village assembly found in areas where the landowners were not Brahmins. Which of the following statement is correct? Both of these statements are correct. So answer will be all of the above.